behind us here, and our nice big back porch. You watch the sunset from here, watch the sunrise on the front. We've got the closer tree line, a little wash creek coming off the pond. At the far tree line, which is just where our property line ends, that has another creek back in there. Lots of wildlife, deer, and obviously plenty of birds, things like that. Real pretty place. Great spot to be. Our patio's nice and big. Look at all this room. A room for fire pit, grilling, plenty of furniture, entertaining family and friends, or just sitting down here all by yourself. Either way, let's take a look. So, at the front of the property faces pretty much south, slightly southeast, and the back faces north, northwest. So it's kind of at an angle. So our master bedroom, the back wall is northwest, and the other wall of the master bedroom is southwest. For folks who care about karma and chi and feng shui and all those things, kind of give you a rundown of where the facings are. So this is south. That's not south. That's north. That's west. So patio, back edge of the master bedroom, face northwest. The back side of the family room is to the north directly. And then our bedrooms, we have some that back to the north, one and then two have walls on the east, and the one has a wall at the south. And then with our angle here, our office has the wall facing outward to the southeast there. Our kitchen faces northwest and across, obviously open to the family room, things like that. So that's the general layout of the directions for folks who care about that kind of thing. I'm really into maps and all that, so I kind of care. But some folks care more than others, and that's kind of what we got with the layout. Hope you will come and take a look, or at least watch the video many, many, many times. Look up, look down, scroll left and right, and contact me when you're ready to make an offer on this beautiful piece of property, beautiful Blue Ridge, Texas. Have a great day.